Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Suzuki GSX1250FA. This one is a 2014 and it's done just 6,424 miles from new. Super clean. It's got a big comfy seat on there. It's got a Scorpion exhaust. It's got a hugger. It's got a screen. It's got a centre stand. But these are basically just a slightly more modern Bandit without the name Bandit. But 1250 4-cylinder engine, so super smooth. But loads and loads of torque. You can literally leave these in 4th gear and ride them everywhere. Got so much torque. Super comfy for 2 people. You've got a big grab rail there as well at the back, so literally 2 people in ultimate comfort. You get a gear indicator, you get ABS, and that's about it. But they're just really good, unbelievably good value for money bikes. So I'm sure it'll sell very quickly, especially in this sort of Barry Sheene decal kit it's got on there. It looks fantastic, and if you do fancy it, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get it bought.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.